The rate is included in this line, where we calculate the interest. The interest calculation has to happen inside the loop, because the balance is incremented by a different amount every year. If we moved this line out of the loop, it would only happen once, and our interest would always be $10, even when we already have $100,000 in the bank. So I'll put that back. There are some magic numbers still in this code. Maybe these should actually be named variables. So I could take this and make this into the target, and I could take out the rate and call it a rate. Now this code is much more readable. We can see that it goes while the balance is less than the target, and the interest increments by the balance times the rate.